Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how you can make your mic audio sound better in Audacity. So first, let's open our Audacity app. As you can see, I have my recordings over here. Now select the entire audio track by clicking on it. Navigate to the Effects menu and choose Normalize. Next, select the track again and go to Effects, then choose Equalization. Boost the high frequency slightly to add clarity. Click OK to apply the equalization settings. Now let's add noise reduction on our audio. To do that, just select a portion of the audio where there is no speaking. Go to Effect and select Noise Reduction. Then click Get Noise Profile. Select the entire audio track again. Return to Noise Reduction. Adjust the settings if necessary. And click OK to reduce background noise. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.